Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. If you're still optimizing for basic availability percentages, you're already behind. By 2030, the KPIs that determine solar portfolio value will look completely different, and most asset managers aren't tracking them yet. Let me show you what's coming. The solar asset management game is evolving fast. Right now, most portfolio managers obsess over three traditional metrics: availability percentage, PR ratio, and budget variance. But here's the problem: every competent operator hits 96 to 97% availability. These metrics have become table stakes, not differentiators. The investors and IPPs winning in 2030 will track performance signals that predict future cash flows, not just report past production. 5 KPIs are emerging as the new standards. KPI number 1 is defect velocity, the rate at which new defects appear per megawatt per quarter. Defect velocity is a leading indicator of asset degradation and future CapEx needs. A portfolio showing stable or declining defect velocity signals tight O&M control. Rising velocity is a red flag for deferred maintenance catching up. Our AI agents track defect velocity automatically through continuous drone inspections. KPI number 2 is claim readiness score, measuring how quickly you can document and file a claim with complete evidence. Portfolios with high claim readiness recover 40 to 60% more value from insurable events. Most operators scramble to gather data after a storm. The winners have claim data maintained in real time by AI agents. KPI number 3 is predictive maintenance lead time, how many days in advance you can predict failures. The new standard is 30 to 60-day failure prediction using AI pattern recognition. Longer lead times mean lower emergency dispatch costs and better parts inventory management. KPI number 4 is the data completeness index, tracking percentage of required operational data that is validated and audit ready. A score below 85% suggests blind spots, while above 95% signals institutional grade operations. Our AI agents maintain data completeness automatically by cross-validating SCADA feeds, inspection records, and work orders. KPI number 5 is agentic automation coverage, the percentage of O&M workflow executed by AI agents. By 2030, portfolios with less than 50% agentic coverage will be seen as operationally inefficient. This includes autonomous defect detection, automated report generation, predictive dispatch scheduling, and self-healing dashboard anomalies. Want to benchmark where your portfolio stands on these 5 future KPIs? We built a portfolio performance report analyzing 30-plus megawatt portfolios against these emerging standards. It shows exactly where you're ahead and where you're exposed as investor expectations evolve. Download it free at clearspot.ai/portfolio-report. You'll see calculation methodology benchmark, ranges from institutional portfolios, and the automation roadmap to close gaps. The asset managers who adapt early will command premium valuations. Start tracking what matters next, like share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.